1. 100 across different crunches, different directions. We're gonna get in here, get this done. 100 starting out with the front. 3, 2, 1. Yeah, this time really go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, are you crunching? 18, 19, 20. All right, so you should be tightening up every time, making it count. And yes, did I just trick you into doing 40 when I said 20? Okay, good. All right, 20. Crossover, okay? So, 3, 2, 1. For 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 2 down. 3 to go. All right. Okay. Out to the side. We're going to crunch it down. I want to keep the focus. So we are going to do 20 and 20, okay? Right side for this one. Get it up there. 3. Bring that knee up. 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right. Out. There we go. Ready for the other side. 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. All right, back center again, okay? So, I'm saying that was 10, 20, 30 down, okay? I'm saying that's 3 rounds down, not 4 down, okay? So, we're going to go back forward again, okay? And then we're going to mix it up for the final 20, okay? 3, on guard, really focus, really crunch it, make it work, don't be lazy. 3, 2, 1, go forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, final round. Yeah, I did kind of trick it into saying 100, but we're getting into 200, but you know, it's syntax. That's what I do with kicks too. All right, but it was only 100 bicep curls. Could have got to there too. If you tuck it with your less arms, I guess you could say that, right? All right, All right, so we're gonna get into this again. Do it with me, okay? Starting with regular, all right? We're gonna go regular. Then we're gonna do cross over the knees in the front to the sides and back to regular again, okay? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Okay? 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, cross it over. 3, 4, side. 5, 6, 5, 6, regular. 7, 8, 9, 10. Again, 1, 2. I think I haven't on the one that's good. Okay, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, somewhere in there I got mixed up. Let's just do 1 more for the core. I know I said it while the whole time I was doing it, so I was like 2 more on each side, but that's me. Oh, we're gonna go. Okay. All right, so that's done. It's time for squats today. Squats today are called squats. Those are so much fun. They burn, but they're easier on the knees. We're gonna get down there and we're gonna pulse it out. Come on, do some with me. Do our standing abs, pulses, stretching left. Okay, just checked off, done.